everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to draw a heart shape on this cardboard. Cut it, make two such shapes and roll this pink color of thread around. Cut it and then tie a knot. You can use this as a keychain and look how pretty this beautiful heart shape is looking. Here we are going to make a mini chair and stool using sticks and bottle cap. Cut small portions of stick and paste all of them together like this and it's done. As you can see, we're going to paste the sellotape and color it. You can use sketch colors here. Simply put it on the top of the flash and it's done. Here we're going to use this plastic bottle and cut a small portion. Now make two holes and put the stick inside. We are using a rubber band and straw as well. And look, your fun craft is ready. You can use it as a well like this. Here we are going to use this old plastic bottle. Take this pointy object and make 4 holes. Now press those holes and fill it with water. And look, your fun craft is ready. It's perfect activity for small kids. Look at this fun craft. It's a perfect activity for kids. Let's learn how you can make it. So take 2 different color of straws, fold it and make a cut on one. Take another straw and make a cut at one end. Now put both of them together and then we're going to make another cuts on both sides. Paste them like we're doing here and look, it will move. So we're going to take this hanky and fold it into half. Now we're going to fold it and roll it from other side like we're doing here. We are making a beautiful heart shape. So pull the cloth from both the side and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.